Hey guys, doing a little station upgrades up here, getting things cleaned up. But yeah, a little station upgrade here. Got JBL soundbar. Decided how I'm gonna fix my Italian flag. Here's a 5-to-1 soundbar. Subwoofer. Just put that subwoofer right there in that corner so it catches all that low wind. Traps it in there a little bit. Gives it a little extra punch. I also got the cords cleaned up a little bit. Hey, it's better than what it was. Still a hodgepodge, but not too bad, not too shabby. Alright, another upgrade that I did. In case you're wondering how I key everything, I'll show you. I'm going to turn the lights on, but this is my master keyer switch box I built. Designed and built myself. One master keyer goes in, and all the switches. I can control what I key. Let me get these lights on and I'll show you. Alright, let's get to it. Okay. I don't know if you've noticed in the background of my videos, I've had this built for a long time. This is my master keyer switch box. One keyer in, plugs into the back, and the switches on the front correspond to jacks in the back. These first 4 are 12-volt sends. So I flip that switch up there, and I key up. It's going to send 12 volts out on that send. I'll show you one of the examples. Alright, and the other 4 are just short to grounds. But right now I have my non 7000 DLE push-to-talk plugged into there. So I can key multiple things and not key the transmitter. I can turn that off and it won't key that up. So I'll show you an example right now. I have a 12-volt send going to my 10-meter amplifier in the other room. It has a long send, so I'd rather send a voltage to it. Here, I'll show you in a second here. Let me go in there and show you that. Alright, forgot to mention before going to the other room, this is part of my upgrade. Well, sort of. I had my Heil keyer here for a while. I haven't been using it. I just wanted to make a good backup keyer. So the thing was, this is a 2-wire system. There you go. There's the old plug for it. Uses the tip and sleeve. One wire goes to the tip, the other wire goes to the sleeve. Alright. So my keyer switch box that I made quite a while ago, I use actually it's still a 2-wire system, but I need a three conductor wire. It has a tip, ring, and sleeve. So I've designed to switch on the tip and tip and ring, right there. And actually right now I have the sleeve doing nothing. It's not connected. So coming out of the Heil keyer, 2 wires. I just connected the stripped that off. To connect its 2 wires to these 2 wires here. The red wire goes to the ring, the white wire goes to the tip. That's all there is to it. And I'm not using the bare copper wire there, which is the shield. That's it. Right now I have a continuity tester on there. Going to my multimeter. Gonna go ahead and key. And that's all there is. Alright. Now what I'm about to show you, I've been using this system for years. It's been working great. So that's not part of my upgrade. And neither is my switch box here. So, alright, here we go. I'll show you what I'm talking about with the 12-volt send. Alright, this is my 10-meter amplifier. Yeah, I know, in case you're wondering, yes, I am a licensed AM also. But there's a little tiny relay in there. A little tiny 12-volt relay. Have a little adapter going into there. And that comes out of my switch box. A little 12 volts comes up to here. Whenever I flip that switch up on my keyer box, it's in standby. Squeeze that trigger, sends 12 volts to here, closes that relay. Little relay contacts. Instead of having a typical foot switch, it just shorts at the ground. That's what that 20 feet of wire coming out, 20 feet of wire coming back. Close the connection. I just send 12 volts to this little relay. Now I have just millimeters of contact to make. It's at 12 volts, close the relay shut, and on the contacts of the relay, that's what does the short to ground. So there's that. There's just one example. No station upgrades. Let's go back in the lab. Alright, so there you go. Just doing station upgrades. Like, I've never once I've never done this golden screwdriver inside of a radio. Never had to. There's so many other things you can do to your station without touching the inside of the radio. Just one little example. So, yep, there it is. All right, I'm about to do a video on my version motor mouth modulator coming up here. I'm getting ready to send it to somebody, a good friend of mine. So, all right. With that said, KP68, little station upgrades, a little bit of cleaning up, getting that hodgepodge cleaned up, keeping things clean. All right, check you later.